Here I have Motorola Moto G71, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera location on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, go to the save settings, and here enable location. Tap OK, then grant its permission, give it permission for location, and now you can enable this feature. That's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.